What's up? It's your boy El Chino. Here I am, right in front of El Chefe. I've been wanting to come here for a very long time, and finally we found some time. And they're cooking it up, man. Can't wait to eat. And they're located at 109 North Arkansas, right on the side of Ozark Beer Cove. It's awesome, man. You can get a beer and go over there and get some tacos, bro. Right over there. Yes, sir. The food smells amazing. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. Been saving my stomach for this all day. Time to unpack. Ooh. Baby, slow down, baby. Slow down. Girl, slow down. Slow down. Oh. Bam.
3 cái cho mẹ, 4 cái luôn.
Wow. Oh, calm down.
Calm down.
Somebody's hungry. Yo, I got the sampler tacos, yo. Asada, carnitas. What do you call it? The one with the pineapples. You know what I'm talking about. Chorizo. Yes, sir. Got a little bit of lemon, bro. Wow. You wanna eat? Gotta dip it before you eat it. You gotta dip it, then you eat it, then you eat it. Wow, look at that stretch, bro. That's a good stretch right there. Wow. Good job, bro. Good job. Chorizo. Thank you for my El Chino video.
Taco rice and beans. Taco rice and beans. What?
Oh, 2 tacos down and I'm super full, man. I got 2 more to go. No, don't eat the lime.
This is sour.
Wow. Cắn đi, cắn đi. Done. We wiped out the table. Adios. Oh yes. Yo, the food was amazing. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yeah, my wife ate like too much. What's up? It's your boy El Chino, and that was El Chefe, man. Downtown Rogers, Arkansas. Man, their tacos was fire. The consomme was beautiful. The service was awesome, and the food was great, man. Y'all gotta go out there and give them a try, man. I'm gonna leave the info right here, and then yeah, you know, support my homeboy Manny, and yeah, hit like and subscribe.